ingredients required: custard powder 5 tablespoons, sugar 10 teaspoons, ghee 1 tablespoon, water 1 cup, 2 tablespoons of cashew nuts. Into a bowl, add the custard powder, sugar, water, whisk them together. In meanwhile, add ghee to the pan, add the cashews, saute them until they are golden brown in color. Whisk the mixture once again. Roast the cashews well. Now add the mix to the pan and keep continuously stirring. Use a non-stick pan. Stir it up to 5 minutes. The consistency should be like this. Keep stirring it until the mix separates from the bottom of the pan, like this. This is the perfect texture. Now add it to a bowl, set it aside, let it cool completely. Add your favorite dry fruits as toppings. I used cashew and badam.